Show them big hospitals you're taking. Show them. This is saw palmetto, lycopene, and pumpkin seed oil.
Which one was big already?
Which one is that one? Huh? Saw palmetto?
Oh yeah.
I made some more black cake yesterday, guys. This one's for us and this one's a gift for somebody. So, where's the bag, babe? Show him?
I tell you what I could do. Cut a piece.
No, show them. Like, fold the lid over everything and show them. So we have to go to the store to buy press stud and the tool to put on the press stud, so you'll have one press stud to close it there. Put it on your wrist.
What?
That's gonna be my thumbnail. That's gonna be my thumbnail. It's so cute, but I'm disappointed because it's, show them how flimsy it is. I don't like the flimsy nature of it. I want it to stand on its own. So that has to do with the interfacer, right, Joe? Mm-hmm. So we have different types of interfacer. See how this bag is standing on its own? See? Right?
I'll tell you what to do. Cut a piece of this.
See how that bag stands on its own, huh?
Cut a piece of this and put it in the bottom and stand up.
I don't want to do that. It's going to be ugly.
What?
This is another fusible thing. See how it has the, but this is fleece. What do you think that would work? That would still make it soft, right? It wouldn't stand on its own. This is soft. So this would make it more padded.
This.
I think that's the same thing, right? No? Is this the old one? Yeah, this is the old one that we used to get where you don't have to peel off that backing, so this it'll stay stiff as this. Yeah, I think this would work better, that Pelon or whatever. Because that new one, you have to peel that piece off and then all you have is like a glaze over it. And then what's the other one that we have in? Is this one? Can you get this bag for me? No, this is not an iron-on. We bought that by mistake. That's so. And okay, there's something I wanted. Oh, this one. This one's stiff. This would definitely let it stand up. So we're gonna make another one and figure out which interfacer we want to use. No, don't add nothing on the bottom. It's gonna look ghetto. Please don't.
So nobody can see that.
I could see it.
Okay, guys, this is after about 3 hours. Okay, this is the second cut that I glued together. You could keep this design if you want and sand it down, then stain it, and it's gonna look wonderful. If you could see it rougher more or less, but see, you could, I see a lot of people make stuff, tabletop and all that with this design, but I'm gonna do one more cut because I want mine to be like a checkered board looks like. So, that's the way it look, folks. I'll make another cut, glue it up together, and show you guys how it look like again. See you in a few. Okay guys. I cut one of these off, see? Over here on my saw here. I just put it there and I just cut it off. See the pieces in there? So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to put these in some 1-inch strip. You know what? I could do it right over here. I'll do that. I'll get back with you guys. Okay guys, I take it off. I take off the clump and everything. Then I'll sand it down. This is the way it's gonna look. See, I got those design in there. So what I'm gonna do for me to make these coasters, I'm gonna split it like in 3. It's gonna be one. So I have 3 pieces. I probably could get maybe let's see, 1, Well, maybe about 6 coasters. Give and take. I got a piece. Let's see. Got a piece here that, okay, maybe I could get 1, 2. Oh. Oh. We'll see. I'll try to splice it and see what we get. Okay, we'll be back in a little while. But you see, right? You can see the design. See, here it comes. Whoop, 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 whoop. Okay, guys, I finished making the coasters. This is the way they look. Just the way they look before I stain them, see? You like that clear one? I mean, this is I put a little bit of clear stain in this one. This one is a darker stain. So, let me know which one you guys like, the darker stain one or that one. And then I make a little box with the leftovers, a little scrub that was all over, to put them in. So let's put them in. All right. If you look, this got 2 different patterns on the box. This is the 3rd cut when I put it together. So you got, and this is the 2nd cut. See her different style here. I just take pieces of scrap and put it together. See. All right. So folks, thank you guys again for putting up with me and watching my video, and thank you guys for subscribing, share, like, and comment. Thanks a lot. Like I always say, without you guys I can't do it. I need you guys. Thanks a lot.